Welcome to Vintage Variety. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing. These items are going to be vintage and antique, and they are from my friend Dana Stewart Coates over at Killer Queen Antiques. I'm also going to show you a recent find that is also a piece of antique jewelry. This package is from Dana Stewart Coates over at Killer Queen Antiques. I recently made a purchase from her, and she's also sent me some free gifts. This content's going to be rather short, but I really wanted to open this up and share it with you guys today so you can see some of the wonderful items that she offers on her YouTube channel. I did tag her in this content, and I've also put a link to her channel in the description box below this video. This is really neat. She has packaged everything up in a small tin container. I'm telling you, keeping a pair of scissors nearby really does come in handy for opening up things like this. I'm going to get the tape cut off this container so we can see what is inside. Wow, everything is beautifully packaged. I'm going to stop recording for a second, get everything unwrapped, and I'll show you the individual pieces. Okay, I'm going to lay everything out one at a time and show you the items individually, starting with the item that I purchased from her. This is an antique Maltese cross pendant, and it's made out of jet. I love all of the fine details on this. She also sent me a sterling chain to go along with this. Well, this is a very old piece, so the part that the chain would go through was way too small. So what I did was I added a larger jump ring to it, and I think that this is going to be a great option for me because it gives me the option of wearing it on this chain, or I can slip it off the chain and easily slide it onto a torque that I own. Look at all the details though. This is just a wonderful heirloom piece, and I'm so happy to add this piece to my collection. This is something that I know that I will wear, and I will wear it often, and it's also a wonderful conversation piece. I have purchased quite a few items from Dana, and anytime I purchased things from another YouTuber, I always like to share them with you guys because I feel like if I enjoy purchasing from that person, if I enjoy their channel, their content, that you may enjoy it also. So if you haven't already, please check out her channel. Go ahead, subscribe. She has some wonderful items to show. Watch some of her videos. She also has some great educational videos. Now I'm going to show you the other items that she sent along with this. And these are items that she very generously gifted to me. That is something that she is prone to do when you buy from her. She will often include something extra or a few things extra that goes with the item you purchased. These are very long, so they can be doubled up to create 2 layers. And they also have a barrel closure. These are going to go beautifully with this pendant, and I will most likely wear them all together. Another item that she included are these beautiful clip-on jet earrings. One thing that I wanted to mention about clip-on earrings, and I've mentioned this before, is once you wear them a few times and get used to them, they're actually quite comfortable to wear. I'm going to combine these pieces and let you see how they look on the bust. Then I will show you the other items that she sent along with another purchase that I've made. So I think the best way to wear these would be to double them up, but they could be worn long also. They are tangled. Let me get that loose and I'll show you how it's going to look. Isn't that beautiful? I just think doubling those black beads up really gives it a little bit of something extra. So as a combination, there are a lot of different ways that I could wear these 2 pieces together. I could also put this, as I mentioned before, on a torque, and it would look absolutely stunning. You guys let me know in the comments what you think. How would you wear these pieces? And this is how the earrings look beside it. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to keep all of these items stored together so that when I wear them, I will wear them as a set. 2 more items that she sent to me as a gift are these beautiful sterling antique baby bracelets. I talk about my grandbabies occasionally. I have 3 grandbabies, and this is the second time that Dana has gifted me with baby bracelets. The first one she gifted me, I gave to one grandchild, and she decided to gift me baby bracelets for the other 2. These are absolutely gorgeous. They do expand to fit over the baby's hand. Can't hold on to anything today. And they have these beautiful designs on the outside of them. They're a little different, as you can see here. But I think these are absolutely precious. It's very touching to me that she gifted these. It's a very kind and generous thing to do. Now, both of these are hallmarked. I'm going to try to zoom in so you can see one hallmark is larger than the other one. So that was the one, and this one has a tiny little hallmark on the inside. So this is something that they're already antique, and I can gift these to my grandchildren so that one day if they decide to have children, they'll have something that's an heirloom they can pass on to them. The last item I'm going to show you guys is an antique item that I recently purchased. Now, this did not come from Dana, but she does get items like this, so I thought it was relevant to this content. I ran across this piece, and I was really excited once I saw it. I looked it over really well, and my guess is that the seller didn't realize what it was. So I got this for a very good price. This is an antique brooch, and it's made out of gutta percha. Now, it does look a little bit like the jet brooch, but this is a different material. I'm going to give you guys a really close look at the back. You see how the back of this looks almost like it's cracked? Often you won't notice this unless you're really zooming in or looking at it under a loop. But that is simply how the material looks when it hasn't been carved out and polished. Known as one of the earlier plastics, it is an organic material that is made from the sap of tropical trees from Malaysia, and this was very popular during the Victorian period. Unfortunately, they started using it for not just jewelry, but a lot of different things, and it wasn't sustainable. The trees pretty much just about became extinct. So this is definitely an antique, and it is a beautiful find. So this is something I was also really excited about running across and getting it at such a good price. These are not the only black pieces of jewelry that I own, but I think all of these pieces are going to go together quite well. I have the long strand of beads, the pendant, the beautiful clip-on earrings, and now this brooch. So I've kind of just put myself together my very own set or parure of jewelry. I think that I will probably experiment with wearing all these together. I may even decide to take the brooch and clip it onto the beads and see how that looks also. So you guys, let me know what you think. Do you think all these items are going to look well together or not? Let me know in the comments, and be sure to check out Dana's channel. I want to thank you for taking time out of your day to share these items with me. If you haven't already, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on more content about collecting vintage and antique items. Thank you again for watching, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.